You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. By the way, if you want to learn more confusing pronunciations in English, make sure to stay tuned. The name itself, the surname, means Clarke, but it's a variant, obviously, and it's not pronounced Clarke. In British English, it's pronounced Clarke. Alright, the E at the end doesn't do anything, so don't worry about it. It's not Clarky. Clarke. Now, British English doesn't really pronounce the R. American English pronunciation is as Clarke. Clarke. Alright, Clarke or Clarke. How to pronounce correct English pronunciation? Clarke. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.